Before you buy your next SUV, you need to hear this, because right now, thousands of people are making a $40,000 mistake, buying SUVs that start falling apart before they even hit 100,000 miles. And the worst part? Most of them don't realize it until it's too late. But here's the good news. There are a few SUVs that completely break that pattern. Vehicles that are built to last 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles with basic maintenance. And in this video, we're exposing 6 of the most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2026. Make sure you watch until the end, because the #1 SUV on this list might surprise you. And it could save you tens of thousands of dollars long-term. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. Let's start with a SUV that most people completely overlook. And honestly, that's a mistake. The Mazda CX-5 doesn't get the same hype as Toyota or Honda, but when it comes to long-term reliability, it quietly outperforms a lot of its competition. Here's something most buyers don't think about. Many SUVs today use CVT transmissions, and those can become very expensive problems after 100,000 miles. Mazda avoided that. Instead, they stuck with a traditional automatic transmission, which has a much stronger track record long-term. And that one decision can save you thousands in repairs. But here's where it gets even better. The CX-5 also feels more premium than most SUVs in its price range. Better materials, quieter ride, and sharper handling. So you're not just getting reliability, you're getting a better driving experience too. And owners? Many report going well beyond 200,000 miles with no major issues. Now, quick question for you. Would you take a slightly smaller SUV if it meant avoiding major repair bills later? Let me know in the comments. And if you're getting value so far, drop a like. It helps this video reach more people. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Now this one is all about trust. The Subaru Forester has built one of the strongest reputations in the SUV market. Not because it's flashy, but because it's dependable. And here's what makes it different right away. Every Forester comes with standard all-wheel drive. Not as an upgrade, not as an extra cost. Standard. That means better control in rain, snow, and rough conditions, but also more balanced wear over time, which actually helps with long-term durability. Now, let's address something important. Older Subaru models had some issues with CVT transmissions, but newer versions? Much improved, especially when properly maintained. And that's key, because with regular servicing, many Foresters are lasting 10, 15 years or more. That's the kind of ownership most SUVs simply can't match. And here's something interesting. Forester owners tend to keep their vehicles longer than average. That tells you everything you need to know. People don't hold on to bad cars. Quick pause. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of most buyers. So subscribe now, because this channel is all about helping you make smarter decisions with your money. Number 4. Honda CR-V. This is where things get serious. The Honda CR-V isn't just reliable, it's one of the most proven SUVs ever built. We're talking about a vehicle that has been on the road for decades, with a track record that very few models can match. There are real examples of CR-Vs still running after 300,000, even 400,000 miles. Think about that. Most SUVs don't even make it halfway. And here's why the CR-V works so well. Honda keeps things simple. No unnecessary complexity, no risky engineering decisions. Just a well-built engine, solid transmission, and consistent performance. And that simplicity is exactly what makes it last. It's also incredibly fuel efficient, which means you're saving money not just on repairs, but every single time you drive. And when it comes time to sell, it holds its value extremely well. So you're losing less money up front and over time. Now imagine this. You buy an SUV today, and 10 years later, it's still running like it should. That's the CR-V. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. Now let's talk about one of the most popular SUVs in the world, the Toyota RAV4. But here's the thing. It's not popular because of marketing. It's popular because it works. Toyota has built its entire reputation around reliability, and the RAV4 is one of the clearest examples of that. These vehicles are designed to be simple, durable, and efficient. Not exciting, not flashy, just built to last. And in today's market, that's rare. Older RAV4 models regularly go past 250,000 miles with minimal issues, and newer models continue that trend. Maintenance costs are low, fuel economy is strong, and resale value, one of the best in the entire SUV segment. Which means when you eventually sell it, you're getting a large portion of your money back. Let me ask you this. Would you rather drive something exciting for 3 years or something dependable for 15? Because that's the trade-off most people don't think about. Number 2. Lexus GX. Now we step into luxury, but not the kind you're used to. Because most luxury SUVs become expensive problems over time, the Lexus GX is different. Underneath the luxury features, this is basically a rugged, overbuilt machine. It shares its foundation with Toyota's off-road vehicles, which are known for extreme durability. We're talking about a strong body-on-frame design, a proven V8 engine, and components built to handle tough conditions. This isn't just a city SUV. It's built to last in environments where most vehicles fail, and that durability carries over into everyday use. Many GX models stay on the road for decades, not years, decades. Yes, fuel economy isn't great, but owners don't care, because what they're getting in return is long-term peace of mind. And that's something money can't easily buy. Quick reminder, if you've made it this far, you're exactly the kind of viewer this channel is built for. So hit subscribe, because the next videos will help you avoid even bigger mistakes. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. This is it, the SUV that sets the standard for reliability worldwide. The Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a legend. For decades, the Land Cruiser has been used in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Deserts, mountains, extreme climates, places where failure is not an option. And that's exactly why it's built the way it is. Everything about this SUV is designed for durability. Overbuilt engine, strong chassis, proven engineering. And the result? Vehicles that routinely exceed 300,000 miles, with many going even further. It's not cheap up front, but here's the reality. Over time, it can actually cost less to own than many cheaper SUVs, because it doesn't break, it doesn't depreciate as fast, and it doesn't leave you stranded. If your goal is to buy one SUV and keep it for the long run, this is the one. So here's the bottom line. The SUV market is full of vehicles that look good on day one, but cost you thousands later. The smart move? Choose something built to last. Because real reliability isn't about features. It's about what happens after 5, 10, 15 years. And if you made it this far, you're already thinking differently than most people. So do this right now. Subscribe to the channel, because I break down the exact vehicles that save you money and the ones that drain it. And trust me, the next video might stop you from making a very expensive mistake. Now tell me in the comments, which of these SUVs would you actually trust long-term?